Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide trades replays from certain users. Actually, as of now, trades by Instagram doesn't offer a direct way to hide replays from specific users on your posts without blocking them. However, there are a few workarounds and privacy settings you can use to manage replays and control visibility. The option that you can use is you can block the user or you can restrict them. Let's consider that I want this user to not be unable to see my replays on trades. So just by tapping on or going into his profile, here I want to go to this three points on the top right corner, and by tapping on it I want you just to tap on restricts, or even you can block them. By doing that, they won't see your posts or be able to replay, and won't be publicly visible to the other. This is the only option that you have. There is another option, but it's not it's just limits who can replay to a trade. When posting, you can tap who can replay, and then you can choose anyone or profiles you follow or mentioned only. Anyways, guys, this is the video. That's all, and that's it. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.